Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to print a created letter event like the iEvaluation2 form. The letter event configuration enables the practitioner to generate a letter that incorporates the relevant information from the examination. The letter event eliminates duplicate work and makes sending referrals quicker and easier. The letter can be printed for various workflow events depending on the needs of the practice. Please note that the letter event has to be set up before the letter can be printed, which is demonstrated on the workflow event templates, how to set up a letter event user manual, linked in this video's description. In this video, we will start on a completed iEvaluation2 form. To learn more on how to navigate to this form, please refer to the iEvaluation2 form overview user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the drop-down menu next to the print button. Click on the print letter option. The print letter screen will open. Click on a letter template drop-down menu and select the desired template you wish to print. Once satisfied, click on the OK button. The letter event that you have selected will be added to the active form section and will display on a clinical case screen. Please note that if you would like to make changes to the template on this specific form, click on the edit buttons within each section. Keep in mind that making changes here will not override the originally created template. Finally, click on the print button. The print screen will open, where you can configure the print settings and ultimately print the letter.